Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Craze. Welcome back to the Craze channel for 2018. So this year I've got a new vlog series. It's called Damn Sweet Honesty, and it's all about being honest with no BS, okay? So I'm going to talk to you about lots of different cake topics. We're going to talk about pricing, we're going to talk about continuous learning and education and why it's so important. We're going to talk about clients and what they need to know about you as well. So I'm going to give you lots of tips and tricks and advice and some of my knowledge that I've acquired as a teacher and a cake decorator for the past 7 years. So we're going to talk about all that and more. And I would love your feedback. So make sure you leave any questions or comments and hashtag Damn Sweet Honesty, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well so you get all the notifications of the new videos. So tune in next week for the very first installment where I'm going to be talking to you honestly about my business and my rules for business. Want to know and learn more? This is how you can do it. Check out my new tutorials on the Craze website. Make sure you invest in yourself and your skills to become a better decorator. Okay, and make sure you follow us on social media, Instagram and Facebook. You see all the behind the scenes stuff as well. And then check out our VIP membership group for Craze, where you can jump in. It's a yearly membership fee and it includes all my tutorials and vlogs. Everything is included, so don't miss out on that.